Scarlett Johansson keeps a silent archive of vintage typewriters, each key a memory from early screen tests and late-night inspirations. Fans glimpse her quirky ritual as she types a page, folds it, and stores it like a talisman before a big scene. In interviews, she reveals that typing helps her map rhythm and pause, shaping dialogue with a tactile patience. Our collection influences charity auctions and film sets, where old machines spark conversations about craft across generations. This obsession blends art and discipline, showing how small passions quietly steer choices, leadership, and creativity on screen.